Welcome to chemistry class. I am Pooja Bhanot. Today I am going to discuss the topic atomic mass and molecular mass. So, first of all, we will discuss what is atomic mass. Atomic mass of element is the number of times the atom of the element is heavier than an atom of carbon taken as 12. So here we have taken the atomic mass of carbon as 12, which is taken as standard, and the atomic mass of other elements, they are determined in comparison with carbon. Atomic mass of an element is the average relative mass of its atoms as compared with an atom of carbon taken as 12. So second definition is it's the average relative mass of its atoms. For example, when they are isotopes, then they are having same atomic number and they have different atomic masses. Then how to determine their atomic mass? So here the significance of word average is the word average has been used in definition of atomic mass because atoms of same element may possess different atomic masses. So these types of atoms of same element having different atomic masses but same atomic number are called isotopes. So in this case, how to determine the atomic mass of the element? In these cases, the atomic mass of the element should be average atomic mass of the isotopes taken in the ratio of their proportion of occurrence. For example, the element chlorine has two isotopes. These are chlorine 35 and chlorine 37, and their proportions are 3:1. So proportion of the occurrence is, if there is 100%, then 75% is chlorine 35 and only 25% is chlorine 37. Then average atomic mass of the chlorine may be given as 35 into 3 plus 37 into 1 plus the total occurrence, that will come out to be 35.5. So in this way we can find out the atomic masses of isotopes. So its unit is AMU. So what is atomic mass unit? That is AMU. The atomic mass unit is defined as the quantity of matter whose mass is equal to 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. It is abbreviated as AMU. Nowadays AMU has been replaced by U, which is known as unified mass. So atomic mass unit is the quantity of matter whose mass is equal to 1/12. So this is also in comparison with carbon 12 isotopes. So in this way we have determined the unit of atomic mass. So atomic masses of certain elements are, so these we have to learn, some of the common elements, these we have to learn. So atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Atomic mass of helium is 4. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Atomic mass of sodium is 23. So the atomic mass of magnesium, these are the symbols which we have already discussed, is 24. Atomic mass of aluminium is 27. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Atomic mass of calcium is 40. So in this way we have to learn the atomic mass of certain elements which are used in numerical problems. So what is gram atomic mass or gram atom? Atomic mass of the element expressed in grams is known as gram atomic mass, and this is also known as gram atom. For example, atomic mass of sodium is 23 AMU. So the gram atomic mass of sodium will be equal to 23 grams. So what is gram molecular mass? What is the molecular mass? Molecular mass of the substance is average relative mass of its molecule as compared with an atom of carbon 12 isotope taken as 12. So this is also what is molecular mass. It is of molecule. This is also in comparison with the atom of carbon 12. So here also standard which is taken, that is carbon. So molecular mass of the molecule can be calculated by adding together the atomic masses of various elements present in the molecule. So for example, molecular mass of carbon dioxide, if you want to determine, then we have to put here the atomic mass of carbon is 12, atomic mass of oxygen, these we have to learn. So it is adding up. So 12, 1 atom of carbon, 2 atoms of oxygen, so multiply by the 2 into 16, that will be equal to 44. So in this way we can determine the molecular mass. So what is gram molecular mass? The molecular mass of the substance expressed in grams is called gram molecular mass. So the molecular mass is 44 AMU and gram molecular mass will be equal to 44 grams. So next topic is calculation of percentage composition of the compound. So how to find out the percentage composition? So first step is calculate the molecular mass of the compound from its formula by adding the atomic masses. Then calculate the percentage of the element by applying following relation. So what is the relation? This is the percentage of the element is equal to number of parts by mass of the element over molecular mass of the compound into 100. So this is the same method as we are doing in percentage. The number of marks obtained in any subject or the marks obtained over the total marks into 100, we calculate our percentage in exams. The same way this formula is made. For example, the numerical problem on percentage composition. For example, calculate the percentage composition of various elements in NaCl. So various elements की हमने percentage निकालनी है. Atomic mass जो है वो सोडियम का 23 दिया है, क्लोरीन का 35.5 है. तो how to find out the molecular mass? First of all, it is given atomic masses. So these are the atomic masses. So we have to add up the atomic masses, that is 23 plus 35.5 is equal to 58.5 AMU. Now this is the total mass of the compound and we have to determine the percentage of sodium. So what is the atomic mass of sodium? That is 23. And what is the total mass of the compound? That is 58.5 into 100. So calculate and find out the answer. Then number of parts of chlorine. So what is the mass of chlorine? That is 35.5 over 58.5 into 100, that comes out to be 60.68. So in this way you can calculate the percentage of various elements in the compound. First of all, first is we have to calculate the molecular mass of the compound, that is the total mass. Then the atomic mass of that element divided by total mass into 100, that is the percentage of sodium, and the percentage of chlorine will be the atomic mass of chlorine divided by total mass into 100, that will be the percentage of chlorine. This is all about atomic mass, molecular mass and the numericals based on percentage composition. Thank you.